So today I'm reviewing the Five Love Languages card game. This is based on a book, Conversation Starters and Date Ideas, based on the best-selling book by Dr. Gary Chapman. So this is good for couples or any of that sorts, or you just curious about the game. You can try it out. It's it takes like 45 plus minutes to play it. You need at least two play. It's only for two players. 16 ages 16 up, and it contains 300 cards. Basically questions. I ask questions, spark deep meaningful discussions. It also has date ideas, so explore new and creative date ideas, and pop quizzes reveal how well you really know each other. So yeah, let's open her up. That paper fell, but I'm gonna show you guys how the cards look and all that. So let me reveal all of this. So here it says acts of service, which is one of the five love languages, words of affirmation. So this is basically just cards of all the love languages here. And here's another stack of cards. Let's see. So also it has like a QR code with a quiz to find out what your love language is. But here's a question. Have you seen any acts of service between other couples that you'd like me to do for you? So it has ask questions like that, or here's a date idea. Recipe roulette, create a wheel of different dishes and recipes. Your partner will spin the wheel and cook whatever recipe it lands on while you get to taste, test, and relax. So that's another one. And let's see what else is here. There's also some golden cards. So words of affirmation. Your partner would love to hear some positive words from you. The spot where you find this card gives you a clue about what they might want to hear. Let's make their day. And it has like a ton of other stuff like pop quizzes. So yeah, this is overall like everything you get with this. And if you feel like you're struggling in your relationship and want something fun, I definitely do recommend this card game to see if it can spark something between the both of y'all. So yeah.